Morning, welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives. I'm here in Buxton in the Peak District to film a promotional video for Lotus in the Peak. Now, Lotus in the Peak is something that takes place on the 15th of July. It's a great day out. Hopefully today you'll get a good idea of what it's all about. We'll be meeting the organisers, we'll be meeting a few of the people who will be coming. We're going to drive around some of the really cool roads around here just to give you a taste of what it's all about. Hope you enjoy the Peak District and what Lotus in the Peak have got to offer. Please subscribe for future videos. There's going to be plenty coming over the summer.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart.
I'm here at the High Peak bookstore cafe. Yeah, I'm here at the High Peak Bookstore Cafe near Buxton, and I'm here with my friend Dean. And Dean's from MLOC, so Dean plays a big part in the organisation of Lotus in the Peak, which happens every July, pretty much July, right?
It's always July.
Yeah. Talk to me a bit more about Lotus in the Peak itself.
Well, the Lotus in the Peak began really as an event to celebrate MLOC's 10th anniversary. We wanted to do an event that was perhaps a little bit different, whereas people like, I think, and I like, going to look at car shows. Often what you find is that you just get there, park your car in a field, get out, have a look round, look at the cars and go, oh, they're nice, and then you sort of get a little bit bored. Yeah. So we wanted to do something a bit different, something that wasn't quite so static. So the thing that makes Lotus in the Peak different, I think, is that we meet very early in the morning and we have guided runs around the Peak District. It's all quite well organised, typically groups of 10 cars. We have a safety briefing in the morning. Then we have breakfast, and then from the breakfast stop, by that stage generally we've got 100 cars plus congregating. Then we have a procession into the sort of final event venue, which this year is at Peak Rail at Roseley. They have a showground area there, and that last stretch is about 8 miles, and it's just a procession, so 100 Lotuses on public roads, driving nice and steady into the event. It's quite exciting. And then when we get there, we all park up. There's display parking, we've got the car of the day competition, we have a picnic, we have a fantastic raffle, lots of great Lotus prizes. There's some competitions for the kids because we encourage it as a family event, and then yeah, and then that's pretty much it, really.
It was my first time last year at Lotus in the Peak, and I had the best time, apart from the fact that my car broke down.
Yes, but I think I saw that. Yeah.
I broke, actually, two things happened. I broke second gear, and I leaked coolant everywhere, so that was really fun. But apart from that, I made it home. Yeah. I made it home, but it was good. It was good.
We always get 2 or 3 that have mechanical trouble, but then if you've got, I think the most cars we've ever had, and all Lotuses, 210 I think was 2016 when we were at Chatsworth. So inevitably you're going to get 1 or 2 mechanical problems. It's just bad luck that it was you, Charlie.
Yeah, I know. Never mind. Hopefully not today though.
Yeah, hopefully not today. Yeah.
Cool, brilliant. All right, let's go.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
just been incredible. I'll put all of the details of Lotus in the Peak and Emlock down below so you can check it all out. Literally, there has just been some incredible roads. The Peak District is such a hidden gem. If you fancy a nice day out, lots of Lotuses. It's been an absolute pleasure